Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Booty, and that is Bill Time. It is Monday morning here in the island of Tonga, and it is a public holiday. You know how it is here in Tonga when it's come to public holiday. Everybody are going to the beach. I mean, like, majority of all the Tongan people, they are spending the holidays at the beach, doing tunu and all that. Pero now, I will go out tahi. Kako mi ag Maria nge ko fenga teu ko aka kai Tonga aku tui ki tahi. You know how it is here in Tonga when it's December. It's like summertime. You know how awful it is here in Tonga. Like, it is freaking hot. Kagi ngawe pe pupuha, ngawe pe viviko. So that is the reason, one of the reasons why we are going to the beach here in Amalolo, especially kabago tisema, eh? Kaka fanfu teu ka kai Tonga shana. Wanda me fefine ne he tu ya ke futala utangari lo tu me fusula pa alo me fufalan mafana, alo me fufalan. Come on, people. What's wrong with you? O kai ki ofungia? Ko tau ki tahi ki tau whakamokomoko kata tui wala pehe ai. Makahi me fui teu you know how ko hake mai whakalakalaka ki tongani ko kamata ke hongo he kakai fefine ko nau confident enough na tau kenau tu ya me apu na fui tui ki tahi, you know how the Pakalani they are. Ko kamata ke poto kakai tonga he tui bikini got but koi half agi wala tui. You know how they all wear bras, only bras and mahi, you know. Ko wake whakalala, pero ko tokolahi kakai fefine ko tui wala pehe peo lui holo he matatahi, like walking around trying to get all the boys' attention at the beach. Like, it's a good thing. Kaurelei ka koe, whakamokomoko ka koe, but please, if you are planning of wearing that kind of clothes to the beach today, make sure wefu so atalahi api. Check your spin, another spin. For what place? Check yourself out, okay? Show me a lunga ki lalo, show me tawhaki ki tawhaki koe, make sure aku wai whanga fulipi aku puli, wai me whanga fulipi aku kage fu asilahi. Please, Tongan people, o te tau fu fia parangi. O hinga usaipe holu hela koe, pe usaipe aka koe, koe ki tokan koko holipi. You know how Tongan people are. Te ke lua he ka kenau. Shawatu keke ne ilo ya lipi. Shawatu ke foi piki. Shawatu ke foi uri koe. Shawatu ke foi vinya he ke maa. Please, if you're planning on wearing that kind of clothes, make sure you shave your armpit. Make sure there's no lippy around you. And you are langa. Anyways, people, happy holidays, everybody. Offer had come out, offer give a holiday lele ahoni. Pea, toka nga mo day, I'll be dying.